Hello friends, welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make 2x2 picture with a name tag using Microsoft Word. This step-by-step guide is perfect for creating ID photos, passport style image, employee badges, students IDs, event passes, or any document requiring a labeled into 2x2 picture. With Microsoft Word's simple tool cropping, resizing shapes and text boxes, you can design a clean, professional looking 2x2 photo with name tag in a just few minutes. So no advanced software required. So let's get started. At first we go the last on the page. Then create a new page. Now we can see here a new page. Then we go to the insert menu. Click this picture drop down menu and click this device. Now we can see here two image. Now I am select this image and click insert. We can see here the image is landscapes 16.9. Now you can change the dimension or cropping the image as a 2x2. You can go to the picture format option. Automatically open this. Otherwise you can not see this image or option. Click this image and click this picture format. And here the cropping option. Now I am go to the advanced layout size. Then we can see here the absolute and the absolute width and height. Now I am turn off the lock aspect ratio because I make 2x2. Then click OK. Now you can see we make 2x2 image easily. Now I added tag. Go to the insert menu again and select the text box. Then click draw text box option and draw a text box down on the image. Then write your tag to this image. Now I am select the text and go back the home menu and increase the font size. Then align the center and you can change the font or applying any format. Now I am select the text box and go to the shape format menu and select this shape outline, no outline. Then press and hold shift on our keyboard to select multiple object. Then group it. Now we can see we added picture with name tag into 22 very easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video very soon. Thanks for watching.